also on our parade committee.
He is! Seeing Pat throw out some candy.
This is one of my favorite parts of the parade. She's a senior at Gateway. She's been on Distinguished Honor Roll. She's a member of the National Honor Society.
I'm here with Kara, the winner of the Miss Independent Scholarship Contest. Kara, can you tell me a little bit about what inspired you to apply for this?
Hi, my name is Kara, and I was inspired to apply for this because I wanted to represent my community.
Ryan Moser and the Gateway High School Marching Band. Well, I don't know if I can do that.
Toys for Pittsburgh Tykes works in cooperation with over 40 Pittsburgh area police departments to distribute gifts.
What in the world is this beauty?
You know, did you ever wish that the beauty services could come to you?
Thank you so much for being with us. Jeep safely and fun. We're so grateful you're on our parade, and you're gonna throw me something.
Aha! You gotta have some ducks because they're Jeeps. Love it.
Is this a classic Corvette? What year? Oh my, this is a 1994 classic Corvette.
94,
Here.
beautiful.
And you're playing patriotic music. Kids are here. Hi! Hi, little kids. Say hi.
Not only do they perform in the summertime in parades, but they also perform in the wintertime in shows, in gymnasiums, and other venues like that. It's some girls, many of the girls that are performing today have been in the Corps for 10 years, you know, so it's a very, very family-oriented thing. You know, the kids are very, very close together, even though many of them go to multiple different high schools in the area, you know.